Geno mar Kenya yudo loch e tuke mag baseball kinde jotugo matindo pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe nongore Luanda bang' tim mar Uganda logi sets 2-1 e finals mano bagi embarany ma African Nazarene University. Uganda nochako tuge yorno makare bang' loyo set mokwongo points 13-9. Tim Kenya noduogi paro mopogore kendo loyo set mar 2 points 2-0. Kata kamano set mar adek Uganda noyudo loch points 12-11. Uganda kaachiel gi Kenya duto ng'ado tiko mar Super 6 Continental Championships ibiro bagi dwe mar 12 higani. Jatugo mawuok pacho ka David Ochieng gi Freedom Saki mawuok e piny mar Tanzania nobedo jotugo masulwe ka kocha ma Kenya Joel Wangicho nomi mich mar kocha.
When you look at our players, another thing is that we were at a disadvantage in terms of, I wouldn't say body size, but we had kids playing against men, but we had a good game.
This game is no more different from the game we play, the usual baseball and softball. So we used that knowledge, we came to concession, and we became one team.
One thing we are happy about is the WBSC Africa, the continental body, has sectioned regions, and we are able now to compete closer home. That is why Tanzania has come, Uganda has come, and we've had 2 days of extreme fun, and we are happy that Uganda and Kenya have qualified.